Hey everyone, in this business map tutorial, I'll show you how to align your objectives and key results across the company. Let's get started from a canvas board in Businessmap, which companies use for high-level planning. As you can see, we have an OKR scenario here, and to quickly set the context, you can think of this initiative card as your objective, and the outcomes right below it as the key results. On this board, we've planned some OKRs resembling the structure of a product development company. On the top, we've mapped out the strategic OKRs that might span more than 1 year. The canvas gives you the big picture view so you can see how the strategic OKRs branch out into a couple of annual OKRs that the company is tracking. In this example, each annual OKR is further broken down and aligned with the OKRs of each team. We have the OKRs for the engineering team, the product and innovation team, and the customer success team. Each team has planned projects that contribute to their OKRs, and each project is broken down into tasks across the team workflows. Not only that, but we can even see the cross-team dependencies between the projects or the individual tasks in one team. In general, the canvas gives you a complete picture across the outcomes and the output in this company. To populate the OKRs with data, you can either change their values manually, or Businessmap allows you to build formulas that automatically define how the key results of each objective are calculated. Keep in mind that if you're looking to quickly understand what's going on with your business outcomes, you can select the entire structure and simply ask AI to give you insights, such as what are the key takeaways of your goals. And don't worry if you feel stuck with planning your key results, because you can simply prompt our AI engine to suggest new key results for one of your objectives, such as generating new outcomes to track for the German market. Now, while this is the big picture overview of your objectives and key results, you can quickly move from the canvas to the actual portfolio management boards. As you can see, here are our strategic OKRs. Below it, the annual OKRs, and further down under the linked workflow space, the OKRs for each team. The portfolio boards also have a seamless connection to the team boards, so we can quickly move into the engineering board, where besides the OKRs, we can see the team projects on a timeline view and the team tasks on a Kanban board view. For reporting purposes and a central view of all OKRs and projects across the company, let's move back to the Canvas board, where we've embedded an initiatives and outcomes dashboard. From here, we can inspect a tree-like structure of all objectives and projects, while also using this dashboard as a risk management portal to see what's currently at risk, what's on track, and so on across the entire organization. Each one of these executive dashboards can have as much custom information as you'd like to measure, turning it into a summarized view of both your business outcomes and project outputs. Now, before we end this tutorial, keep in mind that this is just an example structure, but you can align and scale your OKRs across dozens, even hundreds of teams. So if you're looking to build and connect your OKRs to actual work, don't hesitate to book your personalized demo with us.